It's Sunday, and we do Shout Out Sunday. And I'm going to share with you 3 wonderful garden channels that I do really enjoy watching their videos. Some of them are sort of small and some of them are a little bigger. This particular one has 209 followers and it has 98 videos, so there's a lot to choose from. And it's a Southwest Living with Val. And it's a wonderful, wonderful channel, and she is doing a great job on her videos. This is the first week she's ever joined in for Garden Tour Saturday. We do Garden Tour Saturday every Saturday. It's an open collab. Anyone can join in once in a while or all the time. This week she joined in and I watched her video from the beginning to the end. And I watched a couple more of her videos. She does a great job on her videos and she is doing great on her garden. So please go check her out, give her some love and support. This is the way you build your channel of one creator at a time and find things that you're interested in. I'm interested in gardening and I do share a lot of gardening channels with you. Some of them are new and maybe you've never seen them before. Go give this one a try. There's plenty to choose from. If you don't like one, go to the next video. Try to give a little love and support, and let's help her get her channel moving. Remember how hard it was in the beginning when you started? I struggled for like 5 years with my channel. I've just, in the last 4 years, got my channel moving. So let's give some help to another great garden buddy out there. And I appreciate that she joined in for a Garden Tour Saturday. Now, let's see who else we have that we're shouting out today. Second shout out is for Daniel's Growing. Oh my gosh, she has a wonderful, wonderful channel and she's doing very well. She just started out 23 videos and 141 followers. Click on and start following her. And let's go see some of the videos that she's put together, and she does a great job on her garden videos too. Now here's the one she just put up 7 hours ago. It's the May Garden Tour, Zone 7, North Alabama. Go and check it out. She has a wonderful April garden tour also. And she did another one about the hunting hawks. I don't know what that is. I haven't watched that one. The only one I've really watched was the May Garden Tour. So go give her some love, support, and see what other things she's sharing. Looks like she's even got a video here in the snow. Alabama Snow Day. Looks like a fun video to watch. Guess I'm going to have to get caught up on some videos. But this is a new channel that needs our help and support. Let's give her some love and support. Get over there and check this channel out and see what you think of it. We all have to start somewhere, so come on guys, let's give some love and support to these new channels, make some new friends, build up some new friends. Just because these are small new channels doesn't mean it doesn't have a lot of great information to help you grow your own channel and grow your own garden. You may find something new and different you've never thought about trying. And of course I've never used this tool and I've never planted anything in the way she's doing with the eggs. But maybe if we go over, we'll watch that video and get some new ideas and new tips why she did that. I didn't even know about putting eggs in before you plant. Well, you see, I'm learning something new just by watching this little bit of this video. Go check them out, get some new garden ideas and tips, and meet some new friends. Here is another channel. The Purple Pumpkin. The Purple Pumpkin. This is a new channel for me also, and they have 686 followers and 91 videos. And I'm trying to get into cottage gardening and changing my garden up. So videos like this will be very helpful for me. I love new channels, try to help them because it helps me also. By watching new channels, I get new inspiration and new ideas that maybe I could incorporate into my own videos, keeping myself fresh and keeping myself interested in gardening. I love whimsical types of displays, and oh my gosh, I just love channels like this. She's putting together lots of gardening content every month. So you're going to have a lot of things to watch and keep yourself interested. Now, she doesn't put it up every day, but she puts something up every single week. And I'm thinking she's doing an awesome job. Just look at how beautiful everything looks on these videos. I haven't watched too many of her videos yet, just 2. But at least I got the idea that this is a channel I would really like to keep watching. And like I keep saying, I'm trying to get a cottage theme in my own garden. And this is going to give me a lot of inspiration. I don't need to get these big fancy channels that have like 30 or 40,000 followers, because I'm going to get no traction at all from it. But channels like this, I will. And even though she's not a big channel, you can see that she is well loved, because look at this. She's got this video in the center, 936 views. The next one, 735 views. You don't get that many views if you're not putting up a pretty good quality video. So I think you should go over and give her a try. Give her some love. See if you can make some new friends. Meet and get involved with some new garden friends, for you can build your channel. We're not just helping her, we're helping ourselves. You need to get out there and try to make new friends on these channels and try to see why they're doing so well. Get some inspiration to help your own channel. You know, we only grow with the friends we keep. And if we're not always in the middle of growing, we're going to die. Because there's always people coming and going from YouTube. I have a lot of my really good friends that had a lot of views, and they've gotten tired and have dropped off. How do I keep my channel going? By always looking for new friends, people that keep me engaged and keep me wanting to do more and better on my own videos. Please go check out these awesome creators and see what they're doing. And go over and check this one out and see why she's doing so good for not even having that big of followers. She's doing better than I'm doing. And I got 5,000 followers. So what does that tell you? She's putting a better quality video up. She has a better garden. So why don't you go over and see what kind of garden she's doing and how she's doing it? Why are her videos doing so good? You might be amazed. You might learn something. Go over there and check out this wonderful garden channel.